The Smart Kitchen Revolution, 2025 trends you can't ignore. Welcome to the future of cooking. The kitchen is no longer just a place for meal prep. It's becoming the tech hub of the home, blending smart design, sustainable living, and time-saving tools. In 2025, whether you're living in a city studio or a countryside retreat, the way we interact with our kitchens is being reshaped by innovation and intentional design. Let's break down what makes this year a game changer for home kitchens. One of the biggest shifts in kitchen culture this year is the rise of AI-driven meal planning and appliances. Think beyond the smart fridge. Now, ovens, stovetops, and even your blender can sync to your dietary needs, track your grocery inventory, and suggest meals based on what's available. AI-powered voice assistants, specifically built for kitchens, are trending. They're not just setting timers anymore. They're coaching you through recipes, adjusting settings in real time, and even recommending healthier substitutes. These smart systems reduce waste, save time, and make cooking feel like a partnership. For busy families and solo professionals alike, this level of automation is a lifestyle upgrade that's here to stay. Another trend redefining kitchens is modular design for micro-living spaces. With urbanization on the rise, small space efficiency has become a core value. Fold-out countertops, wall-mounted appliances, and convertible cabinetry are now mainstream. In many new builds and remodels, everything is designed to slide, fold, or tuck away. This isn't just a minimalism trend, it's about flexible functionality. Kitchens now serve as offices by day, dining areas by night, and cooking zones when needed. The modular movement is powered by innovation in materials. Lightweight, recyclable, and super durable surfaces are key players. The 2025 kitchen maximizes space with elegance and efficiency. Next is the growing wave of sustainability-centered kitchens. With climate awareness at an all-time high, eco-friendly cooking environments are not optional, they're essential. Composting is going digital, with smart compost bins that measure, track, and help reduce food waste. Water-saving taps, energy-efficient induction cooktops, and solar-powered charging docks are becoming standard. Even your grocery habits are adapting. Many households are now integrating vertical indoor gardens that let you grow herbs, greens, and small veggies year-round. This means fewer trips to the store, fresher ingredients, and a lower carbon footprint. Sustainable kitchens in 2025 are about clean eating, clean energy, and clean design. Lastly, 2025 is bringing a shift toward wellness-focused kitchen spaces. Gone are the days when the kitchen was purely functional. Now, it's a sanctuary of nourishment and self-care. Soothing color palettes, think earth tones and soft neutrals, dominate new kitchen aesthetics. Aromatherapy zones with essential oil diffusers, natural wood elements, and plants are trending in interior layouts. But it's not just about looks. The rise of mood cooking is changing how we eat. Certain lighting modes and music settings are used to enhance focus, joy, or relaxation while preparing meals. Even the cookware is catching up, with non-toxic materials and ergonomically designed utensils that make food prep an act of self-care. The kitchen of 2025 is smarter, greener, smaller, and more personal. It's no longer about just cooking. It's about creating a lifestyle that blends technology, sustainability, and wellness in one of the most important rooms in the home.